First Gabuyev V-Ball 8000 series. A Bowles machine in Canadian company, introduced Visc circular saw firewood processor. The machine can process logs within max diameter of 27 inches and a length of up to 30 feet. And 60-inch large circular blade cuts the log into pieces, which are then passed through fixed blades hydraulically. The conveyor belt takes these wood pieces to 8-splitter cylinder, and splitter filters out unnecessary wood fragments. These machines feature a 127 horsepower cat diesel engine at EDU's 4 full cords of hardwood per hour. Poschleitnetz is an Austrian firm that specializes in firewood processing gear. One of its products is the poly-splitting machine. To split logs, the hydraulic mechanism of this log splitter exerts a force of 8 tons. It is capable of splitting hardwood that is normally difficult to split using traditional tools. Machine incorporates an auto-speed mechanism that automatically adapts the log feed speed to the needed splitting force, saving time and energy. It can be run by a gasoline engine, a 230-volt or 400-volt electric motor, or the PTO shaft of a tractor. It has a split struck that can be adjusted to prevent wasteful, empty strokes. Also, the user has the option of using a variety of splitting wedges, each of which can be swapped out in seconds, and without the need for any additional equipment. Next we have the Petzolato Genius Wedge. It's a wedge that can be used to split logs into smaller, uniform pieces with little effort. It is designed by Petzolato, a manufacturer of equipment for processing firewood. The Genius Wedge is available either as a complete unit with Pezzolano machinery, or as a standalone splitting station. With its cross-shaped, fixed sector and square-shaped movable sector, it evenly distributes logs of varying diameters. This results in less wasted time and energy, as well as fewer power splits. Up next we have the Piezo Auto TLA 15 ETB 900. It consists of 2 machines, a firewood disc processor with a separate wood splitter, and an automated vertical splitting system. The TLA 15 firewood disc processor can convert random lengths and diameters of wood into uniformly sized logs. The logs are then moved to the wood splitter, the TB 900, which can divide them with a splitting force of 40 tons into smaller pieces. Electronic controls allow for adjusting the final wood size. An electric motor, or the PTO shaft of a tractor, can power the device. As a result of its high output capacity, it can process up to 20 cubic meters of firewood each hour. Next we have the Penosa CP12V01. It's a firewood processing plant that can handle wood of various thicknesses and lengths. Only one person needs to operate it. It takes power from a diesel engine and can process wood with a max diameter of 480 millimeters and a max length of 10 meters. Logs are fed automatically onto the cutting desk and subsequently into the splitting unit thanks to the machine's self-loading technology. The 45-ton splitting equipment can make firewood blocks of different sizes. The machine is portable, small, and can be driven on public highways. The Paylax C750 is up next. This wood shepherd is the creation of a Finnish company called Paylax. The tool is versatile enough to cut and split lumber of varying sizes. The machine is driven either by an electric motor or the PTO shaft of a tractor. The blade's length of 750 millimeters allows it to slice through logs as wide as 28 centimeters. In addition, its quick motion valve can be set to operate automatically, further increasing its efficiency. Depending on the size of the splitting blade, 2/4 or 2/6, the machine can create firewood chunks of varying sizes. Moreover, the machine is equipped with an in-feed conveyor and an out-feed conveyor to keep the wood moving. Mayho Sawmills is a New Zealand-based manufacturer of sawmills and firewood processors. Wapa Chapa is a top-tier firewood processor. Made by this company, it can efficiently job and split enormous wood into manageable, homogeneous pieces. The wood rings are fed through these splitter knife, which use 4 side cutters to chop them into pieces. Upon cutting, the wood is sent to the outfit elevator. Logs with a diameter of 1.2 meters or more can be processed with this machine. It has a 76-ton splitting force and a Dutch diesel industrial 48 horsepower engine. With the machine's wireless remote, the user can control it from a safe distance. It also has a safety system and a trailer equipped with hydraulic brakes. Next we have the Woodcracker W1000. Westech made this attachment to oversplitting thick locks. It is made of high-strength hardox steel and has an endless rotating rotator for flexible use. 2 drive engines are optionally available. It incorporates auto-speed technology, which enables a greater splitting capacity. The roller system decreases the force exerted by reducing the frictional resistance. The splittable diameter is determined by the largest end piece, not the opening width. It supplies jippers with a convenient supply of pre-split material. They can be used in all harvesting and processing methods of hardwood. Next we have the Woodcracker CS750. This attachment tool was designed to safely remove trees in several parts. The saw unit includes a swinging chassis with active suspension that can be angled to minimize the bending of the saw bar under high force effects. The tiltator is capable of 360-degree rotation. The automated chain tensioner maintains the chain tension no matter how long the machine is in operation. It is ideal for a road maintenance or removing problematic trees in urban residential areas. It can be mounted to telescopic handles. Furthermore, it has a variety of mounting options for different carrier vehicles. Up next we have the Log Cut MCS40. This modular machine was designed for use by firewood producers. Its multi-blade saw slices logs in a single pass, maintaining a steady output rate, regardless of the log's length. From drive type to feed deck, this machine is compatible with a range of additional components. It has a capacity of 10 cords brown. Different cutting lengths can be set in under 30 seconds. The entry rollers automatically halt the loaded log, allowing for a maximum feeding ring. It is possible to automatically cut out to 40-inch logs with this machine. The pusher cleats then transports the logs to the circular saw, where they are shaped. Last but not least, we have the Petzolato CM12 and TB900. It is a combination of two machines, a chain-driven firewood disc processor and an automated vertical splitting system. The TM12 firewood disc crosser can split logs up to 6 meters in length and 12 millimeters in diameter. The logs are moved to the TB900 splitting unit, which uses 40 tons of force to break the logs down. The electronic controls allow for adjusting the final wood size. A 22 kilowatt electric motor, or the BTO shaft of a tractor, are both suitable for powering the device. It can easily handle logs with a wide diameter, and has a high output capacity. Well, there you have it. We hope you enjoyed learning about these great machines. If you did, consider subscribing. We've got plenty of more machines that you can learn about. Just click here. And with that, we'll see you next time.